If you've ever used a tool like this bicycle pedal wrench that has a thin edge and no real good surface to push on, and it requires a lot of force. You have to apply a lot of force to remove pedals because pedals really get stuck on there a lot of times. And can you imagine? You can imagine like if you're applying a lot of force, it really hurts your hand. It puts a lot of pressure in your hand. So you could wrap this with tape or something foam, but a very simple solution I've found is just to take some pipe that's this. I forgot what this material is, but it's a not a rigid PVC. It's kind of a soft PVC. And it's the shark. This is the shark bite pipe. It's a I guess it's not PVC. I'm not sure. It's a softer material that's flexible, has some flex to it, so you can flex open. So what I do is cut a length of it off, and then slide it onto the handle, and then it creates this nice, really big grip area, um, which doesn't hurt your palm of your hand. You can apply a lot of force to it without hurting your hand. So, first thing to do is just to measure, like, okay, how long do you need it? So in this case, I've already got one cut to the length of the handle here, and so I'm going to cut out another one to this length here. So you can set your length, approximate length. Seems good, about the same as what I had with the other one. Then I clamp it loosely in a block, and I'm gonna use this saw to slit it. Oops. Too much. Not clamped hard enough. Try this again. Go. Slice all the way through. Now I can slip it on that handle. Mess this up a little bit, but that's okay. Probably won't need that area. So I'd take the edges of these and give them a little chamfer. And now it'll slip on here. Just like that. This other one, slip on this side. There we go. We have a nice, comfy handle grip that's not gonna hurt your hands when you're trying to remove the pedals. This will move around a little bit, but it doesn't matter. Now you have a nice grip to undo those pedals without a lot of problem.